What awaits us in the future? Self-driving cars? Robots teaching our kids? Or will we use raw materials from the moon someday? At Heidenhain, the future is not far away. It's beginning here and now with the TNC7, the new level of CNC control. What awaits me with the new TNC7? Intuitive operation. I can do everything on the touchscreen. I can even draw complex contours, and the TNC7 automatically converts them into klartext. The TNC7 supports me in every task of the machining process. New probing cycles guide me through the probing sequence. And a virtual model simulates every step, from setup to machining. And I can adapt the TNC7 to my individual needs by storing favorites and displaying workspaces where I need them, greatly streamlining my entire workflow. The TNC7 combines new functions developed from the ground up with familiar features. It is based on the familiar klartext programming, and cycles and existing NC programs can still be used. It's the future of machining, intuitive, task-focused, and customizable. It's ideal for beginners and experts, from initial design to the finished workpiece. You'll quickly learn how the TNC7 opens up completely new possibilities for you. The features and work methods are clearly explained in training videos that run directly on the control. The TNC7 will greatly simplify daily work, advance your operations, and add reliability to your processes. With the new TNC7 control from Heidenhain, we're prepared for the manufacturing of tomorrow.